Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my FabFitFun summer unboxing. I've had this box for a couple of days now and I've kept it in its box. I did peek just a little bit at what was inside because I kind of forgot like what I ordered in terms of like what I selected online. So I figured that I would sit down. It's like more of a casual video today, just relaxing in my comfy clothes, and I figured that I would show you guys what's inside so I can start using everything because I really want to start using it all. So if you're new here, my name's Karina. I make videos every Wednesday and Sunday on lifestyle, makeup, fashion, hauls, unboxings, a whole bunch of different things. I always love hearing what your suggestions are, so make sure to follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. I will leave it up here somewhere. And let me know in the comment section below what types of videos you like to see. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave because you want to get that notified every time I post a video. So make sure to subscribe. Don't worry, I'll wait. Okay, now that you've subscribed, we can get into unboxing. So let's see here. So of course, when I open it up, the first thing I see is the like FabFitFun newspaper almost. So it comes with every single item, like it lists what items are in here and like what the benefits are and sort of everything that it has. So I'm gonna open up the book and see. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is this Pier 1 like jewelry tray. So I was thinking of using this sort of like in my bathroom or next to my bed because as soon as I get home from work I always take off my rings. Like I just don't know why, I always take them all off. So having a nice little dish to put it on maybe beside my bed or somewhere in my room where I can have all my stuff, like the everyday stuff that I wear in terms of like jewelry. I thought that was cool. It's from Pier 1. Everyone loves a good marble, so I really like this. I'm definitely going to put this to good use. Alright, the next thing in here that I picked, so you could actually pick between, let me see here, the Tarteist Pro Glow Highlight and Contour or the Tarteist Pro To Go palette and the eyeliner. So I picked the contour one because I have never tried the contour one before and I really like it. It comes with like cream and powder ones, the highlight, contour. I think it's really pretty. It goes with lots of skin tones. I've never really used, like I've tried cream contour before, but I've never really used it, so I figured this would be like a good entry into it. See how it goes, give it a try, but I mean like this palette alone is probably worth the price of the box, so we're already doing pretty darn good. So let's see what the next thing is. So the next thing is this towel. So you could actually pick between like different towels that were on there, and I guess when I logged on to go make my selections, like most of it was gone. I think they were just like out of stock in certain ones, but this one is from Summer and Rose. It says make your own sunshine, so it's 39 by 70 inches or 100 by 180 centimeters beach towel. Let's see what pattern it is. I think they only have two patterns here, so I believe I got the palm tree one. And this actually retails for $55. So this item alone covers the price of the FabFitFun box, which is pretty darn cool. Just gonna throw the garbage down there. So again, I got the like palm tree looking one. I thought it was really cool. And it's like this like microfiber sort of material. It's pretty cool. It must dry really quickly, which is nice. Because the worst thing is having like a soaking wet towel and you can probably just hang it up. So I will definitely be using this. You can use it for picnics, beach, pool, whatever your heart desires. You can always use a new pool towel. Alright, so the next one in here that I see is the Orlando Pita Play. This is the hair protectant spray for damp or dry hair. So ultimate pre-heat styling spray with 10 incredible benefits. So this one comes in it as well. So this is actually retails for $34. So it's either this or like papaya enzyme peel. And I don't need any more face masks, and I thought this would be cool to try. So next time I take a shower or like go to do my hair, I'm gonna give this a try and see how it works. It's like a full-size product as well. Like, this is crazy. 34 bucks, like, can't go wrong. Alright, so the next item here is the Aromatherapy Associates London De-Stress Muscle Gel. Don't necessarily know why I would have picked this one, but that's okay. So this one retails for $39, and all these prices are obviously in US dollars, so in Canadian it's going to be a lot more. So De-Stress Muscle Gel was, oh, it smells like essential oils almost, but that's okay. So this is supposed to be made with here we go. And made with an invigorating blend of essential oils, this best-selling muscle gel instantly cools aches and soothes tired muscles over time. So eventually, when I start working out again, I could probably use this. I mean, I'd smell like a walking essential oil, but that's okay. Hopefully it will work, and it's a full-size product, so it retails for $39. Not bad. So I guess this kind of goes hand in hand with like the next one that I got, which this was between, there was a face rejuvenator, this resistance band, or like a wallet, and I figured since the last box that I got had like a wristlet in it, that this time I would go for something else. And like I said, I didn't need a peel, so this is really the only thing left, which I'm okay with because maybe this will get me motivated. But it's a resistance band, and this one retails for $15. It's actually really light. Like, it's not, like, in terms of, I'm used to things that, like, workout gear that's, like, really heavy. So, tighten and tone that summer bod. This band will add a challenge to any workout that targets the abs, biceps, legs, and back muscles. And it says it's portable, so you can take it with you to any outdoor workout. So, 15 bucks, not too bad. You can use this and use the muscle relaxant at the same time, so the soothing gel. So, we'll see. Okay, the next item is the, what is this? Farm to Face, cruelty-free, water-resistant, what is this called? Oh, here. Classic Face Sport Coola, Classic Sunscreen, Moisturizer, Organic Skincare. And it actually says it's non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, and it's recyclable. So this has SPF 50 in it, which is cool because I'm going to be honest, I don't use SPF when I go out. Like, at all. I'm really bad for that, and I only really use SPF if I can tell that like my skin is like heating up a little bit. So this is good because I can put it on like if I'm going to the beach or if I'm going out and I'm not necessarily putting makeup on. I can put this on when I don't need to look matte because, you know, sunscreen has oils in it, so you need to not wear it when you're planning on getting flash photography. But this is cool. It's really neat. I like that it's gluten-free again, like I've talked about before. So yeah, it actually says apply 15 minutes before sun, 80 minutes of swimming. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And it says you can use it for use on children less than 6 months. So anything above 6 months, you can actually use this. So if you have kids, you can use this sunscreen as well. And the last item, which I am super excited about and I can't wait to use, is the Foreo Luna Fofo. So I have the Clairsonic, which I don't necessarily use as much now as I used to, which I probably should. But when I heard that this was coming, I was like, holy moly, this alone is like $100. I mean, for Canadians, it's like around $100, and like it's pretty cool. So apparently you can get your app, like in an app, and it like keeps track of when you wash your face. It says download it on the App Store. I think it's cool. I love this color too. I'm gonna try and open this. It's this little, oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Oh, it's massaging already. That's cool. That's cool. So let me see what it says here. So there's a battery inside that you change. What you do is you wash your face, wet this, turn on the app, and then you dry your face after. So apparently you have to download the user manual for this, which makes sense. Like, why would you put the whole user manual in here? I don't know what this is. It's like a magnet of some sort. I don't know, but I'll give it a shot. Tonight I'm going to try it and see. It's really nice. It's really soft. I'm excited. So that's all the stuff that I got in my FabFitFun box. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you would like to see another one of these when the next box comes out, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you close out this webpage and move on to your next YouTube video. Please subscribe. I really would like you guys to join our family and to turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. And yeah, that's about it. So I will see you all in my next one. Bye!